Santa Marie and welcome to yet another Stitch Fix video. Today we're going to be opening up these lovely pieces, and in case you have not seen my previous Stitch Fix, I think they actually returned to me, or actually put in there, the gray jacket that didn't fit me in the previous one. I needed one more size up. So I believe that this one is it. So I cannot wait to dig right in. So I need to go ahead and tell you about Stitch Fix. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna tell you about this thing. This is the return envelope that you'll be returning everything in. The awesome part about it is you do not need to do any postage because it is already there for you. So all you have to do, you have 3 business days to return all the items that you do not want and return them in here, throw them in the post, and you'll be good to go. All right, and now we're gonna see what my stylist has said to me. She said, "Your style delivered. Hi, Lysanda. Happy Fix Day and welcome to the new year. I can't believe that it's already 2023. Time is flying. Let me know if you have any trips or celebrations coming up in the new year. We have lots of new things, and I think you will love it all. Thank you for your request for this fix. The Seeing Stars Sleep and Lounge Super Soft Set is for sure to become a favorite. I love how soft this material is. The West K ruffle blouse is amazing and you can't beat the price point. This can be front tucked into the Judy Blue mid-rise jeans for more shape." Ooh, Judy Blue, they're awesome jeans. Anyway, these jeans are flattering and versatile. Oh my goodness, I'm losing my train of thought here. Versatile, add a pair of earrings and head out the door in style. Let me know what you think. Cheers, Kelsey. All right, I just love it. I keep having the same stylist because I like her style. She is getting my style right on point. So I think we just need to get right at it, and here we go. All right, here we go. Okay, so the shirt, here it is. Upon pulling it out and trying it on, it is not a very soft fabric. However, the little insert, I don't even know how you say it. It's like the underneath shirt that's a part of it is sort of soft, but the actual material of the shirt itself is not soft whatsoever, which I'm not really fond of that. The shirt isn't too bad. I'm not sure if it's my style. I do like the print, and it is very formal. I kind of like that, kind of dresses things up just a little bit. But I'm not really fond of like this thing. I feel like I'm a little house on the prairie. Maybe I can just, dress it down like that. That's kind of cute too. But I don't think I'm completely sold on this shirt, although it's not bad. It's definitely not a bad shirt. It is sort of dressy. Yeah, there we go. All right, I think we need to try the next thing. Woo, okay. All right, here we go. Talk about so cozy. All right, this is some loungewear, sleepwear, adorable. Of course, I want to keep petting myself. So as I was slipping into these, it was literally like slipping into a cloud. So incredibly soft. They are so soft and I love it. So I really love the print. The hearts are super cute. And here we go to the next one. All right, adorable. Okay, look at this cute outfit. These are Judy Blue jeans. Judy Blues are always super comfy and super stretchy. And yeah, so they have cute like little rips in the jeans, and they are actually more like a capri, which I kind of like. But it is still winter, so I'm not sure if I'll be purchasing these or if I don't know. They're actually pretty comfy. I guess I'll figure it out once I go through like what I want to keep and what items I do want to return. So yeah, there you go. As for the sweater is soft. I really love it a lot. The color is super, super adorable. This is what the back of everything looks like. And yeah, there you go. Super adorable. I think we need to try on the jacket. Now, as I was opening up the jacket, I did realize it is not exactly like the one that I had in my previous Stitch Fix. It's very similar though. Let's go ahead and try this on. Woo! Okay, here we go. As I said when I was telling you this before, this coat is pretty similar to the one that I had in my previous Stitch Fix, although the interior was more softer. And yeah, it's pretty much the same coat except the interior was softer on the inside. It actually had like a white like little plush thing, and I just loved that, although I felt like it didn't fit me very well. And as for that one, this one also, I feel like the arms are just like a little too snug. It might be because my arms are pretty long, so I feel like it doesn't hit me here. So I feel like I almost need like a size large, but let's go ahead and zip it up and give it a try for that way. Yeah, we're gonna zip it. Here we go. All right, adorable. Let's tuck that in there. The shirt. Okay, that does fit me very well, very nice and snug, and it does have, let's see, the pockets here. Oh yeah, real pockets, just like the other one in the previous video. Real pockets, although I don't think it's cute to have your hands like, oh, like that maybe. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty cool. Yep. Oh yeah, let's turn that around. Put the hood up. Yeah, okay. That was cute, adorable. All right, now let's get out of this because it's getting kind of hot. But like I said, this jacket is super cute. I do like how the pockets are real pockets. They are adorable. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it. If I would keep it, I do need to get a larger size, however. So there you have it. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a humongous big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down there, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.